Hello everyone. This video is all about 9 University review, whether it is a scam or not. But first let's see what is 9 University. These are the results that will be shown when you search for it. So, the first result is their official site and others are reviews and articles. Let's click on this article and see. So this is an article on 9 University which starts with the pic of its creators. We can see that these are the creators of 9 University, Cale Abramson and Taylor Hyatt. And below here is written about it. 9 University, also known as KT9 or 9U, is an online course that shows new sellers how to make money with fulfillment by Amazon, FBA. So basically they provide online courses to the Amazon sellers about how they should manage their business. Here we can see how it all started. Cale is one of the creators of 9 University, and before creating 9U, Cale was a basketball player and business consultant at Duquesne University in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Second creator of 9 University named Hyatt worked as a computer salesperson. A chance meeting at church led Cale and Taylor to creating an FBA business together. They formed an Amazon FBA business and were earning $200,000 each month, so they left their job and focused on FBA. So, this is how it started, and at the bottom of this article we can see about their services. If you want to read this article, then visit the link in the description box. Now, if we go back on search results, one thing is clearly noticeable, and it is the scam word. It is repeated on almost every result and also on videos. So we will see what this hype is all about and is it really a scam or not. Let's click on this Quora link and see what it is. So, in Quora someone has asked a question that, are Amazon FBA courses like 9 University a scam? And a guy named William Springer has answered this question and has written that, scam? Probably not. So, according to this guy, 9 University is not a scam. Let's visit his profile and see what's there. So, he is a software developer, PhD in computer science. He has answered 541 answers on Quora and also asked questions. We can see his follower list and also following. These numbers are great and I think this is a genuine and authentic profile. Let's go back to search results and see another link. Let's visit Trustpilot and see what's going on there. Here is the profile of 9 University with ratings of 4.8 out of 5. If we scroll down and see these reviews, we will find a total 239 reviews, few are bad reviews and they are all talking about scam. Now, let's visit the profile of Mary, who has posted bad review. In this profile, we can clearly see that there is no profile pic and this person has posted only one review till now. This person is from Canada and has posted a review on a US-based company. This profile is not optimized and can be considered as fake. Let's visit another person's profile who has posted a bad review. This profile is also pickless and has posted only one review till now. If we see another person's profile, they all have posted only 1 or maximum 2 reviews on Trustpilot, which means they are not that much active accounts and can be fake. Considering the collected data from Quora and Trustpilot, I considered 9 University as a genuine and reliable company. If you need more information about 9 University, then you can visit their site and can apply for their courses. These are the services and courses provided by 9 University. That is it for now. Please subscribe to our channel and let us know your thoughts in comments. Thank you all for watching this video.